Hey guys, I have a little unboxing, two little unboxings. This just came today. This one I've had for a few months now, but I literally haven't even taken it out. So I want to share with you this, because this I'm really excited about. Before we dive in and unbox these goodies, I want to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video and share with you some of the things that they sent me. They are a high quality, amazing, beautiful jewelry line, but also very, very affordable. Let me just back up a second. I've actually filmed this video already with Ana Luisa and something else from here, and then I ended up exchanging it. That's why I never posted the video. So I've already unboxed these things and been wearing them, one of which I always get asked about, these little hoops in my third hole. These are by them. I recently had to have my third hole re-pierced on this side because it had closed up, so I just have a little stud there. But sorry, you're not gonna get like my first impressions of when I opened up their package, but I was just like giddy about it. So I can speak to the quality. I've been wearing the things and I just want to show you what I chose from them. If you guys are here because you love my Stella and Dot videos, you will absolutely love this brand. They have a lot of trendy pieces, but also amazing basics, everyday layering, things that you can wear and mix in with other things that you have from other brands. Just very easy to style, to pair with other pieces, and personally, I think make great gifts as well. They come packaged in these velvet pouches. Super nice quality. They feel and look very high-end designer, but the price is like a fraction of that. Their jewelry is tarnish free, it is sustainable, very high quality, and it's gonna last you a really long time. So the other really cool thing is they're giving you guys a 10% discount code. So let me show you, I'll show you the other little hoop that I have in my ear and I'll show it to you up close. Also do have some chunkier pieces, but I like the delicate aspect of their line. But here's the little hoop. It's teeny tiny, and then it has just one little CZ stud. It is perfect for like a rook piercing or any of your holes going up your ear. It's just so beautiful, and every time people catch these in my ear, I get messages on Instagram like, what is that what do you have in your third hole? Okay, and then this is probably the thing I was most excited to get because I love the chain on this. It's a necklace. I love the chain. It's very, very delicate, but it's like that link style that I am really into right now. And then the bottom is a beautiful like 3D puffed heart in shiny gold. So I am gonna put this on. It has a really nice lobster clasp there. And you see what I mean when I say it's just, they're easy pieces to mix in with whatever else you have in your jewelry collection or that you're wearing. I love the length on this too. And because of the chain having those little links, you technically could make this shorter if you wanted to clasp it to any of the other links. I have some other necklaces that are like that. I love that it's 3D. I don't have anything else like that. And the little heart does have a nice weight to it. And then the third thing I chose were these little safety pin earrings, which are also very trendy right now. And I got these specifically for my second hole. And they just open and close like a true safety pin. Let me pop out the ones that I have in, and I'll put these in so you can see them on. When they reached out to me, I was so flattered because I see their stuff on Instagram all the time, but I had never purchased from them before, and this gave me the perfect excuse to try them out. So there's the little safety pin and then the little third hole. And see, I have like a chunkier earring here, but even if you did just a simple hoop, they just work so well. I'm gonna leave that in there. So thank you, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring this video. I will leave my discount code and the link in the description box. This will definitely not be the last time you are hearing me talk about them. I can promise you that. Moving right along, let me tell you a little backstory. When I first filmed this video with Ana Luisa, and I had this unboxing along with my little Chanel Caviar O case in black, which you've probably seen already. I thought it would be silly to like unbox it because I've been using it a ton, but I also had the new perfume from Louis Vuitton called California Dream. If I'm being honest, the reason I really wanted it was because the packaging, the bag that it comes in is like a bluish pink ombre. You can only get that bag with that purchase. Obviously, I don't live anywhere near a Louis Vuitton. I wasn't going to one to smell it. I had watched several reviews on YouTube and everybody raved about it. However, I had just bought the Baccarat Rouge, which was very, very pricey. So I really wasn't shopping around, but I really wanted that ombre stuff. And I had seen the reviews. The bottle was beautiful. It had a magnetic closure on top. And I thought, what the heck? But when it came in, I just didn't love it. And at that point, I feel like summer was over, and it's definitely a spring summer fragrance, and I'm more into the fall. I really love the Baccarat Rouge. I knew I was not going to reach for it as much as I should have for the price. So I called them, and they were so gracious and honored an exception to their return policy. They typically don't take fragrances back unless the packaging is still sealed in the white wrapping, like the clear wrapping. And I had obviously opened it, but I literally just sprayed it once or twice, and they honored an exchange and allowed me to do a store credit. So I picked out something else. This is something I've had on my list for a while, not something I was in a rush to get because I wanted it for mostly for travel, and I'm not really traveling anywhere. But since I had the credit, I decided to go ahead and get this instead. So from Louis Vuitton, and this is their little cosmetic pouch and the Damier Azur. Crazy enough, I don't have this print in my collection anymore. I have the Damier A Bean mini pochette in the brown. I had the Speedy, but I sold it. I also had the Galleria in the Hobo, which if you've been an OG YouTube subscriber, you would have seen my video on that. I think it might even still be on my channel, but I ended up selling it. I just kind of was over the whole hobo style. I wasn't wearing it as much. I always loved this print, but I don't think ever buy it again in a handbag just because it is so light and it does show dirt pretty easily. But I love this print, and so I decided I'll get it in the cosmetic pouch, use it for like my everyday essentials if I'm going on a weekend trip and I just have a few things. You know, I've gotten my makeup routine nailed down to a science. I know exactly what products to bring and I'm going to use. It's not a ton of them, so I thought this would be perfect for just quick trips overnight, or even just to throw in my bag, in my never full bag, or like tote style bag, or something a little bit smaller. Maybe not even necessarily to use it as a cosmetic pouch, but as a catch-all, or my hand sanitizer, hand lotion, lip gloss, you know, just like a little pouch within a big bag. So I'm so happy to have this. I absolutely love the Damier Azur. It's so beautiful. To me, it's always kind of felt like a spring summer print, especially on a handbag, but I think it could be used all year on a smaller leather good. So that is that. And now this one just arrived. And I am so very excited because this is actually from Prada. And I have never purchased anything from Prada before. So this is a first purchase, first handbag, and I'm really excited. I watched a few reviews. I should probably tell you a little backstory about this bag too. There's always a story, you know, before we take it out. I was scrolling through Instagram. I think it was Instagram. Maybe it was in the Like to Know It app. And I came across this, I'm assuming she's a blogger. I don't know her, but I came across this photo and instantly fell in love with this style, with this bag. It reminded me of the Louis Vuitton Multi-Pochette, which I have gone back and forth about. I love that bag. It's basically like the mini pochette. It's like two different sizes of the mini pochette, along with a wide strap that you could get in blush or olive, and then a little coin purse attached to it. And then there's a gold chain like on the mini pochette. And I absolutely love that style. However, I have a mini pochette and I have the round coin purse. I just couldn't justify. I felt like it would almost be like a duplicate. So when I came across this photo, I was like, oh my God, it's like that, but in black. This was the photo that I screenshotted, and then I started doing a deep dive and trying to find this bag and found it pretty quickly. It is the Prada Re-Edition 2005. I'm new to Prada. I don't know much about the brand. I have seen this style bag. Like Prada, I know has done this bag for years and years and years. It's classic Prada. I've never had a nylon bag, and so it kind of was intriguing to me, the weight of it, and I just love that it's like a sporty look. Especially for someone like me, stay-at-home mom, I wear leggings, sweatshirts, graphic tees all the time, and I just felt like this was perfect for that style, for that vibe. I watched so many reviews on this bag. It fits a ton from what I've seen, and it looks like the style of the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette, which I love, but I also feel like this is a little bit more casual than even the Louis Vuitton one. So there we go. It also comes in beige, and I gotta say too, for being a designer bag, it's more on the low end of price, so I love that too. They do have it now in a leather version, in a Saffiano leather, but that does up the price a little bit. I think it's still under $2,000 for the leather, but the nylon is much, much cheaper. So beautiful tissue paper. That's really, really nice. There's some puffy things. Oh, they sent the bag. That's so nice. I was not expecting that. Never even been in a Prada store. And there probably is one at King of Prussia. I've just never really gone in there. There is a blue envelope with my return shipping label, return instructions. I don't think I'll be returning it. I love the color. I think this like baby blue. Okay, I am really excited about this because let me tell you why. I've watched a bunch of unboxings. I've watched a bunch of reviews, and they always seem to come in parts. Like the bag comes in one part, the strap comes in another part, and the little key purse came separately wrapped. But this looks like it's all one, and I was not expecting to get this bag, so I'm really, really excited. It's tied here with a little ribbon. I'm gonna assume that this came like right from the store. This is exactly how it came packaged, and I was not expecting it. I'm thinking like right from the website, they probably individually wrap everything because they even had dust bags for each of those pieces. But this is in this dust bag, which is a deep navy, and it almost feels like a felt bag with drawstrings. Yeah, it's in here. So it is all wrapped up, but attached. So now I need to unwrap and attach. But I am so excited because as much as I appreciate like the wrapping of each individual thing, I would have much rather the bag come like this than having to unwrap each piece and then having to like put everything together. So I'm gonna just take off all the white tissue paper and wrapping and put it together, and then I'll show you. Oh wait. They actually, hold on. So I took the tissue paper off of this guy. A lot of people use this for their masks, for AirPods, or for change. I don't really know what I'm gonna use this for, but just like with the Louis Vuitton, it attaches and detaches. So you can use it separately to throw inside your bag. I probably will use this for my AirPods. I think it's the perfect little size, and like I said, I have the little Louis Vuitton coin purse, but I just think this is so cute. The zipper is really nice. Zippers are so important to me. Like, I hate fussing with zippers. I like a smooth zipper. I love the wide strap, and it's embossed with Prada. I don't even know if, wow, it seems like it's, there you go, blown out. It says Prada there. It's not on the other side. The other side is just plain. It's adjustable, has the silver hardware. The beige Saffiano leather bag comes with gold hardware. The beige Saffiano leather comes with gold hardware. The beige nylon comes with silver hardware. Inside, they do have the 2 extra dust bags, which is nice. I was not expecting to get 2 of them, and these are white. So I assume the main bag, this was for the main bag, and then, or maybe the straps, and then in here, this is attached on the side. Yes?
Yes. I am so sore. I don't know if it's a good idea.
You're cramping my style here. I'm trying to do a bag
unboxing. I don't know if it's a
unboxing.
good idea that I run.
Just go do a power walk.
Oh.
Okay, so I think this is the little drawstring. I think, do you want to come say hi? Or are you just going to be in the background noise? I think this is the bag that was meant for the strap. And then here's the little silver chain. I'm guessing just from watching the other videos. And then here's the little silver chain. This was another reason that I went for this bag, was because most of I prefer to go gold hardware. I do have a black Chanel with silver hardware. The silver just makes it less dressy, more casual, and for this style bag specifically, to me, in the nylon, it's a much more casual vibe. Here's the little key ring, and it has the little cover, and it says Prada Re-Edition 2005. So if you ever forget the name of this bag, it's right there for you. Stuffed with more tissue paper. I'm gonna attach this so you can, what?
What time did you tell people?
7:38.
Why did my mom just call me?
I don't know. Can you go call her somewhere else though? You're being a goofball. Okay. And then I'm gonna reattach, I'll reattach this. And then I'll put the chain on, and then you can see the bag in its entirety. So here's the bag, how it's all put together, supposed to be put together. I think I did this backwards. Hold please. Okay, here we go. I gotta swap the strap around because I usually go over my right shoulder, but isn't that so cute? I mean, I really don't need a big bag for myself personally. I don't carry a lot. There's a little care card is in here. The authenticity card is really nice. It's like the Chanel style, like it's a credit card almost. And then the information is here. So I don't carry a lot with me, like my key fob, my AirPods, my wallet, and a lip gloss. So it's perfect. And it also does fit my iPhone, but my iPhone's never in my bag. It's usually in my hand or in my pocket, so. Cute, right? I just thought with leggings or a sweatshirt, even jeans and a graphic tee, it's just a nice casual style bag. And I actually think that I like this one even better than the Louis Vuitton one because it is a little bit more casual, simple. It's more simple than that one. That one has the two pouches and then the round coin purse with a different color strap. I like that this is all black, and that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, that little unboxing. I will leave the link to Ana Luisa in the description box and the discount code. Make sure you check them out. Thank you to them for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye!